Instagram's carousel is a highly used feature on the social platform, and for good reason. Allowing users to include up to 10 images or videos in a single post, it's an asset to those who want to make the most of social media's content sharing and storytelling capacity. In this roundup, we'll be taking a look at 10 of the best Photoshop Instagram carousel templates, so stick with us until the end to find the perfect template for you. Number 10. Epic Neon Fashion Carousel Social Media by Danielle Donna. Complete with 9 PSD files and 9 AICC files, this collection offers a great way to easily plan, design, and customize your carousel posts. It includes everything from vector-based shapes to editable layers, and with an RGB color scheme at 72 dpi, you can work with confidence knowing that your designs will always be post-ready. Number 9. Fluid Instagram Carousel Pack by Bless Studio. Fluid is perfect for those who want a fully customizable and cohesive design experience. The kit is completely compatible with Adobe Photoshop and offers a number of features to take advantage of, including 10 Instagram feed templates, editable text and color, Google Fonts, and Smart Object backed image placement. Number 8. Sail Carousel Template Instagram by Aviary. With a uniquely flexible setup, Sail allows you to do practically anything and everything your imagination can produce. Its 15 useful templates are easy to edit and fully customizable to your heart's intent. Its minimal colors, gray, peach, and black, give a professional and clean aesthetic, perfect for fashion or decor brands. Number 7. Natural Cosmetic Instagram Carousel by Slide Factory. The number 7 spot on our list is a well-designed Instagram post template that's great for microblogging, promoting, or advertising. Boasting RGB color mode and images via Smart Objects, this template makes getting the most value out of your design process an absolute breeze. Number 6. Coffee Shop Carousel Instagram Feed by Blank Kids. Coffee Shop is a must-have for anyone in the food and beverage industry. With PSD, AI, and EPS files, all of which are easily editable, this mockup is perfect for whipping up some amazing carousel posts to show off your latest products while maintaining a sophisticated vibe. All of the templates we've seen so far are available from Envato Elements, a subscription-based library that gives you access to millions of assets like Illustrator brushes, vector images, stock photos, and everything in between to take your designs to the next level. Find the link in the description below. Number 5. Instagram Carousel Fashion by Holograph Studio. A ready-to-use and fully customizable Instagram carousel Photoshop solution, this kit includes 15 editable templates to take advantage of. Also included are Smart Object image placeholders, editable text and color, and vector shapes. With this mockup at your disposal, you'll have everything you need to create some truly stunning carousel posts. Number 4. Instagram Carousel by Graphic Supply. This template is a unique, modern, and bold Instagram carousel template PSD kit that's perfect for anyone looking to make a statement. Its design allows you to create stunning text-based posts with attention grabbers like illustrated elements and Smart Object image placeholders that will get your carousel posts up and running in no time at all. Number 3. Instagram Carousel by Mercy Iducci. An easy-to-use and deploy solution, perfect for those who want to take their carousel game to the next level. This pack comprises 5 templates designed natively for Instagram with a circular, contrasting, and colorful design that will undoubtedly catch your audience's eyes. Number 2. Instagram Carousel by Simple Studios. Designed to push an innovative and engaging response, Simple Studios has created an ideal Instagram carousel template for businesses and professionals. With consistent standout graphics and a fully customizable setup, this kit makes it easy to both turn heads and make impressions. Number 1. Instagram Carousel by UI Creative Net. With 5 available templates, this kit has you covered no matter what you're trying to promote or advertise. It's fully editable and boasts Smart Object image placeholders, column grid alignment, and free fonts, with a beautiful design filled with particles, geometric shapes, and illustrated plants that give this template an organic and natural finish. That was our rundown of the 10 best Photoshop Instagram carousel templates. We hope you found one that caught your eye that you'll be able to put to good use in your next project. As always, if you have any questions or suggestions, leave us a comment down below. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notifications for even more great content.